Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels for a holiday wreath making workshop. And I'm so excited to check out some beautiful earrings that I saw. And after that, I'm going to Chanel to have a look at the new Cruise 21 collection that I'm so excited about. I hope that you will like this video. By the way, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel vlogs. I'm so excited to be invited by my lovely SA from Van Cleef and Arpels to create the holiday wreath. We will be using these beautiful flowers and the decorations to create the wreath. It finally starts feeling like Christmas is coming. I was actually quite busy at work and it doesn't even feel like December. It feels like January at the moment, so it's nice to take time and do something fun. And this is my end result. I'm so gonna put it on my door. I really like that Van Cleef organized this workshop for us. It's really nice. And since we were already at VCA, I decided to check out some jewelry because I'm so obsessed with it. And by the way, guys, later this week I will be posting my updated jewelry wish list video, and I will mainly focus on Van Cleef and Arpels and Cartier. I want to focus on these items next year. Hopefully I will not be distracted by anything else. Let's see about it. There are so many items. There are some new arrivals at VCA, but I don't have time to check them out today. But I just wanted to try on these earrings. I want the ones in the middle, and I will also try on the ones with white gold and gray mother of pearl. I think they're stunning. I'm just not sure if they will actually suit me, but let's see. I started with the yellow gold. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I would totally pair them with black blazers, with some black dresses. I like that they have 3 colors, and I have recently purchased and unboxed on my channel the 2 motif earrings. They are in white mother of pearl, and because I love them so much, I decided to add another pair. But it doesn't make sense to buy exactly the same in white mother of pearl. I feel like these 3 colors will be better. Besides, I will be styling them with black dresses, black outfits. I really like them. Actually, I was so ready to get them on the spot, but I just want to think a bit longer about them. I'm just concerned about the weight. They are a little bit heavy, but I just want to see if this is something that I'll be comfortable to wear. And I also tried them on in the gray color. These are so pretty as well, but I think that white gold doesn't really suit me. It's alright, but the yellow gold just stands out so much more. I really love the look of the gray mother of pearl. It's very beautiful, and I think with certain outfits it could look amazing. And after that, I'm just gonna go to Chanel and show to you the new Cruise 2021 collection. I really like this jacket. It's so beautiful and I like the details. Unfortunately, there is no jacket available in a size 34. They're all sold out and there's a long waiting list. But I will try on the skirt. The skirt is still available in my size. It's not that bad actually, and I like that the material is not very thick. It's just great for Singapore weather, and I just wish that Chanel imported more sizes. I think they will, and that's what happened before. I will just wait for a while, and if they will not import new stock, I'll just get it from overseas or elsewhere. There are always resellers, and I'm just done waiting for something and then missing out on amazing pieces just because the stock is so low. Of course, my first choice is to buy it from the store. I enjoy buying it in stores in Singapore, but if nothing can be done, then I have to find it elsewhere. It's possible to find pretty much anything nowadays, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I also saw this skirt in a pink color, which is stunning. I like it a lot, but unfortunately this skirt is too big. There is no my size left. It feels like the store is actually empty. There is nothing available in my size, and some items are not even available at all. So I saw this jacket before as well, and I couldn't even try it on. It's not available. And the jacket that they bought was not available as well. I'm so glad that they got it earlier this year. But I was pleased to see that they didn't increase the price on this one. And also this design is really cute. It's similar to the purple one. The buttons are really nice, but I'm not sure about it. This top is beautiful. It's very light and it's perfect for local weather, for Singapore weather, but it's not my style. And also I saw this bag, which is quite interesting. The color actually looks quite different in the darker light, and it almost matches my nail polish. And that's what the sales associate noticed when I tried it on. She was like, wow, that's really matching your nail polish. And I think it's beautiful, but I'm only concerned about the fact that it's lambskin. It's so delicate. I already saw some scratches on this bag, and it's brand new. And here is another color that is so beautiful. I wanted to check it out in person. Again, it's also in lambskin, and the lambskin is pretty soft, but the shade is beautiful. Unless you are intending to just wear this bag once every 2 to 3 weeks, not very often, it's fine. But I'm someone who tends to reach for my bags very often, and soon I will be posting the review of my lambskin bag in a black color that I have recently purchased and unboxed on my channel. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. Also, this yellow shade is stunning. I like the way it looks in the bright light. It's very beautiful. It's such a summery color, but it actually looks a bit different in the darker light. It looks a bit more dull. It's quite interesting. And then here again, look how bright it looks here. Actually, I prefer this shade of yellow. I think it's a lot more special in this light, but both bags are gorgeous. And another bag that I really like from this collection is this pink bag. Unfortunately, the color doesn't come out the way I saw it on my camera. I don't know why, it looks a bit dull, but the color is really beautiful in real life, and it reminds me of Cruise 19 collection. And I have a bag from this collection. I have posted quite a few pictures on my Instagram account previously, and I also posted an unboxing video on my YouTube channel. I use this bag very often, and I find it so easy to style with different colors. It goes with almost any color. I like to wear it with blue, with gray, with white, with lilac. It's just so pretty. And I also noticed that the leather from this batch is pretty good. It has a coating which makes it more durable. It reminds me of the batch from the spring summer collection, the purple and the white. The leather seems to be so sturdy, and I like it a lot. I think I would go for this bag for sure if I didn't have the one from the Cruise 19 collection already. I feel like at this point, if I were to add any bag from Chanel, it has to be in sturdy caviar, otherwise it just makes no sense. They cost so much more now, and I expect them to last for as long as possible. And that's why I'm staying away from lambskin. I also saw this top. I quite like the colors. It's very pretty. It's a bit thick. And I also tried on this dress, which is beautiful, but guys, this dress is 3 sizes bigger than my size. The material is so soft. I like the color. It's very bright. The buttons are quite cute as well. I like it a lot. It feels a bit stretchy and it's not very thick. I really wish that it was in my size so I could show you the fit properly. I'm pretty sure my size would be just perfect, and I don't think I need to wear it with the belt because of the waist. It's already pretty flattering. I have to say that this is actually a cardigan. It's not meant to be worn as a dress. I would have to get shorts for it or wear it with trousers because it's just too short. The buttons go quite high up and I would be worried to wear it as a dress just like that unless I add the buttons. Anyways guys, this is it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!